Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today this video I'm going to show you guys the places which we went in Maine. First one, it was Acadia National Park. I already have another video of Acadia National Park. That's a long one, so you can go and check it out. The whole day we spend in Acadia National Park. It is amazing. Second, we visited in Bar Harbor. This is a town on Mount Desert Island along Maine's Frenchman Bay. It serves as a like a gateway to the mountains and cliffs of neighboring Acadia National Park. The next place we visited was the Penobscot Narrows Bridge Observatory and Fort Knox. This is the crown jewel of coastal Maine, and this connects Verona Island to Prospect. Now we are going to the observatory. This offers the spectacular 360-degree views of the Prospect River and the bay. And this is the tallest public bridge observatory in the world. Fort Knox State Park or Fort Knox State Historic Site, located on the western bank of the Penobscot River in the town of Prospect, Maine. This was built between 1844 and 1869. It was the first fort in Maine built entirely of granite. Most previous forts used wood, earth and stone. Fort Knox also served as the entry site for the observation tower of the Penobscot Narrows Bridge that opened to the public in 2007. Next, I want to take you guys to Portland Head Lighthouse. This is a historic lighthouse in Cape Elizabeth, Maine. Portland Lighthouse is a prized landmark for its historical significance, but also the adjacent 90-acre park that is its home with stunning ocean view, hiking and walking paths. The next place we visited was Mount Batty Tower, Camden. Mount Batty and the Picture Square Stone Mountain Tower, located in Camden, are rich in legend and history. There are many walking trails available. You can actually go through car, or you can even walk to the top. We reached Mount Batty Tower almost during the sunset time, and the view was amazing and it was beautiful. On our way back, we drove through the same bridge, Penobscot Narrows Bridge. This is a nighttime view of that bridge. Enjoy. Next, we visited Old Orchard Beach. Playground in summer, peaceful in winter. Its beachside amusement park, boardwalk, and iconic 500-foot long pier have made Old Orchard Beach Maine's summertime playground for more than a century. Next, I'm going to take you guys to a town called Kennebunkport. During the time when George W. Bush was president from 1988 to 1992, Kennebunkport became household name. It was known as the Summer White House, the family estate where the president would spend time during the summer. But Kennebunkport is so much more than just the summer home of the Bush family. It's one of the Maine's most fantastic ocean communities, and there is much more to see and do there. This is the most famous wedding cake house, most photographed house in the state of Maine. On our way back home, we stayed over Ogunquit. This is a town on Maine's southern coast. It is truly one of the prettiest place on the southern Maine coast with the sandy beaches and dramatic rocky cliffs. This was the hotel we stayed that night. The view was amazing, but it was a cloudy day. Still, we enjoyed. That day morning, we went for a walk in the beach, and we had a nice morning walk. I got a nice shell from the beach, and I got something from the main trip for memory. This is with me right now, and we went for breakfast in the omelette factory. It was truly good. You must try that. And there is an homemade ice cream place also. You must try. It was very delicious. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.